I'm in the picture too, you know.
Really? Where?
Never mind. I thought we were equals, yet. Father, tell me, why is it that despite us being the same kin, she is worshipped? Why am I the lesser one?
If you think your sister is better, learn from her. Take responsibility for what you lack. Listen to your people. Do right by them. Eventually, you will catch up as long as you never settle.
Once again, the superhero known as Lightning saved the day.
Earlier today,
Did you see what Lightning did last night? She's super awesome.
Take responsibility for what you lack.
This could work. Huh?
Grade 5 tsunami approaching. All civilians please evacuate in